Removing tree stumps to create space for construction or other land development projects has become easy thanks to advanced machinery. However, their power also comes with dangers for both the environment and humans. Join us to learn about the terrifying power of these bulldozers through this video. It's amazing the leveling of the forests in South Texas with these two chain tractor D8 bulldozers. Wherever the giant chain went, it uprooted tree roots, quickly wiping out the forest in the blink of an eye. With a weight of nearly 4 tons, it still looks small compared to the giant chain. The operator of this D8 bulldozer must be very careful not to encounter any problems. After struggling with the chain for a while, the car finally pulled down the large oak tree in Poland's extremely harsh weather. This tree is 4 to 5 ft in diameter and has a huge canopy over 50 ft that seems to swallow this Allis-Chalmers bulldozer. But thanks to careful calculation and its strength, the machine dislodged the large root ball and safely. This appears to be 3 trees on one root. Yet the Volvo excavator puts great pressure on the tree, creating a huge pressure, shaking the entire tree from root to tip and causing the tree to fall quickly. Look, the John Deere 8530 machine can't seem to move while pulling this giant tree. However, with a 268 horsepower engine and the support of a crane, the tree was finally brought down. Pulling down a tree like this requires a very long and sturdy rope to avoid the tree falling near the vehicle, endangering the operator. Machines don't always win. After several unsuccessful attempts, the chain was continuously pulled and broken. In the end, this high-end John Deere 6530 had to give up before the stubborn ash tree. Must find another way. But luckily, everyone is still safe. This Komatsu excavator has a great influence in the Amazon region. Look, with just one gentle push, the oak tree was on the ground. When they needed to remove trees to build a house, it was great thanks to this Cat D4 machine. It easily removed 2 large trees in about 5 minutes. The Deere 450J bulldozer is having difficulty pushing down the tree due to its complex root system and unfavorable location. But thanks to an experienced operator and strong power, the tree was finally brought down. It's unbelievable the power of the John Deere 450 bulldozer. With the ease of one push, it can turn huge trees flat on the ground in just a blink of an eye. This excavator tried very hard to push down this tree, but unfortunately it fell but did not uproot. The tree is no longer intact. What needs to be done now is to handle the remaining tree roots. Tree felling excavators must usually be operated by people with specialized experience and skills, ensuring that the felling process is carried out safely and effectively. What needs to be done is to clear the large trees around this farm in just one day. For Cat 308, it doesn't matter. It was amazing to witness the endless power of the Case 580K as it delivered powerful blows to tree trunks, shaking the green forest. This excavator needs to deal with a diseased tree. After tilling the soil in a circle around the tree collapsed after just one blow.
Gently, gently.
The wet clay soil was so heavy that the trees were glued to the ground. The Cat D3000 bulldozer is using its full power to clear these difficult trees, preparing them for forest road work. With its large clamp, this excavator easily swallows these small and medium-sized trees. Not always successful, despite careful preparation, this vehicle has still not been able to pull out this stubborn tree stump. They need further research to be processed. These machines really make me proud of the development of modern technology. Are you impressed with them? Please share your thoughts below in the comments. See you in the next video to see our great machines. It's great that the shark tooth separator on the 330 excavator can easily separate giant tree stumps. The combination of the Hitachi 350 excavator and large CBI tree stump cutters creates an extremely impressive power in destroying tree stumps. With a capacity of 180 horsepower and a weight of up to 25 tons, the Cat 323 excavator makes handling tree roots simpler and more convenient than ever. It's amazing that the Komatsu PC210 excavator can remove up to 6 3-year-old tree stumps within 1 hour. With an opening of up to 75 centimeters, the Woodcracker R900 tree root scissors allows cutting many types of tree stumps of different sizes and hardness. The Vortex skid steer stump grinder is equipped with high-strength alloy steel wheels and a high-torque radial piston motor. This accessory is designed to grind stumps faster and provide a better overall experience for the operator. The power of this Vortex skid steer tree stump grinder makes tree root removal simpler and faster than ever. The power of this Bobcat E50 excavator helps save labor and improve the productivity of gardeners and workers. The new Bobcat tiller for the E35 mini excavator helps remove tree stumps exceptionally quickly. Bobcat E26 has a compact size but still has the ability to operate powerfully and flexibly. Therefore, it has become a trusted machine used in treating tree stumps in the US. Another way to remove tree stumps is to pull the tree stump using a truss system with high mechanical advantages. Pulled by a compact 18 horsepower tractor, this large stump quickly leaves the ground. Can you believe it? The Kubota U35 mini excavator dug 2 giant tree stumps in a short time. This is the perfect stump splitter for land clearing and woodworking applications. It is popular for its long life and ability to separate quickly and easily. With this machine, handling tree roots becomes easier and more convenient than ever, helping to save time and effort for users. Wow, thanks to the Facon stump shredder, a 20 oak stump was gone in 2 minutes. Although the Blue Diamond X4 HF drill is both effective and safe. However, it is still necessary to limit young children near the work area to avoid unnecessary incidents. The Rotor S stump cutting machine is a machine known for its ability to cut tree stumps powerfully and quickly, helping to increase working efficiency and save time. With strong working ability, Woodcracker R900 helps remove tree roots quickly and effectively without causing damage to the surrounding environment. The efficiency and convenience of tree root destroyers make gardening and land management simpler than ever. Let's watch this tree removal machine pull out the biggest tree stump it has ever done. The Vermeer South Carolina 1102, a tree stump cutter, operates on St. Paul Avenue. It easily removes powerful tree roots without causing damage to the surrounding environment. In addition to giant excavators, Lasky tree stump cutters are convenient, with electric moving equipment suitable for households or small projects. After removing the stump, the soil becomes clear and clean. The 100-inch Dutchman is a device that helps preserve landscapes and maintain ecosystems. It can dig and move large trees without having to cut off the root system. It's great to move pecan trees with a 100-inch tree shovel and a John Deere 844J excavator. Thanks to it, 600 trees were moved in 5.5 weeks. Westech Woodcracker G root scraper with hydraulic clamp helps rake and clear all tree branches and roots, maintain landscape, clean soil for the next purpose. In Finland, the Ponsi Buffalo 4F excavator, combined with stump cutters, has become a popular device for stump removal without damaging the surrounding environment. The Woodcracker R900 tree stump remover is removing tree stumps and roots. The stump is separated on the ground and extracted in the same working step. What's left is an almost flat ground with no stump or roots. StumpX is capable of grinding tree stumps significantly faster than conventional tree stump grinders. It also allows for more flexibility because it does not throw material at high speeds. Use a Bobcat E50 excavator to uproot a 32-inch pine tree stump in 32 minutes. As you can see, it will first dig around the base of the tree to break off all the roots. Then, the machine will lean on a corner to release it. In less than 10 minutes, the Bobcat E32 mini excavator dug a tree stump out of the ground. Fecon Stump X has the ability to grind tree stumps and crush 2 large tree stumps. It not only works quickly and effectively, but also ensures safety for users during work. The Kobelco SK160 excavator with tiller head is a smart investment for any business or individual looking for convenience and efficiency because of its powerful working capabilities. Dipper Fox is the world's most effective excavator-mounted tree stump removal tool. The Dipper Fox SC850 Pro combined with the drill head has become a powerful and efficient device, helping to improve productivity and reduce costs for construction and planting projects. Amazingly, the Rayco RG80 stump grinder destroyed a 36-inch oak stump in just 10 minutes. The tractor-mounted tree stump drill has a cylinder that can exploit tree stumps quickly and easily, with a maximum depth of up to 950 millimeters. The Rotor 3P root cutter is a perfect solution for removing tree roots quickly and effectively. This sturdy and effective tree stump separator will save you a lot of time and money on land cleanup work. The Power King 14 HP tree stump grinder is small but highly effective in destroying tree stumps for households. The P56RX stump cutter is used to cut tree stump parts above and below ground with unlimited diameters. This machine has a compact design that is convenient for flexible and easy movement. Let's watch the StumpX tree stump grinder destroy 3 tree stumps quickly. Thanks to the 2800 SP tree stump grinder, removing tree roots is simpler and more time-saving than ever. Uprooting a Norway maple tree has become easy and fast thanks to this machine. Dutchman's 50-inch tree shovel is manufactured in both 25 and 30-degree models and is designed to create a ball that safely covers trees up to 5 inches in diameter. This type of spade can create a ball nearly 52 inches in diameter. In the Netherlands, people use the Dutchman 80 to uproot trees for the purpose of greening bare land and balancing the ecosystem. Woodcracker R is a tree stump treatment machine that operates much more gently than other conventional machines. Amazingly, the Dipper Fox Crusher 850 Pro spindle on the UCB excavator can destroy up to 162 tree stumps in 1 hour. With a sharp blade, this wood splitter easily handles large diameter tree stumps. Not only that, with the ability to work with little noise and ensure safety, the SC6600 spindle is a reliable choice in destroying tree stumps for many households. You will be amazed when you witness the powerful destructive power of this shark-toothed separator. With its powerful and efficient working ability, this tree root destroyer has become an effective assistant in the land and environmental management industry. Equipped with cutting blades and high-performance hydraulic system, the FH20R ensures precise and fast tree stump removal, saving time and labor costs. Destroying maple tree stumps becomes easy with the Volvo EC60E mini excavator combined with a sharp blade. These sharp teeth challenge even the largest tree roots. They can cut through soil and rock, a testament to its strength. It's great that the Bobcat E42R2 mini excavator easily removes hardwood trees, quickly clearing the forest. Thanks to the Manka Ripper tree stump destruction tool, obstructing tree roots are no longer a concern for workers. With great precision and durability, the tree root destroyer makes every job easier and more efficient. Let's see the mini excavator BH92 destroying a 14-year-old tree. Each new tree planting season is initiated with the help of a root destroyer, bringing hope for a clean and sustainable green future. Power, smoothness, ease of operation. Digging pine stumps with the Deere 270 DLC excavator brings results beyond expectations for users. Watch this tree stump destroyer remove a damaged Bradford pear tree. This monster tree stump was also easily taken down by this Seni Sci 50U excavator.
So you can get a little closer. It's ever so slightly.
The Vermeer South Carolina 30 Texas tree stump cutter is the optimal solution for removing tree stumps effectively and easily. This compact yet powerful machine is designed to tackle stubborn tree stumps quickly. Each operation of the Revolution Tree Root Destroyer is an important step forward in protecting and restoring the environment. The HIMAC Stump Removal Bucket is an innovative multi-use skid steer attachment that lifts stumps and small trees off the ground faster than ever. With its user-friendly design, impressive cutting capabilities and compact size, the Vermeer SC30TX tree stump cutter is the perfect addition to any landscape arsenal. The skid steer stumper 280 stump grinder is a symbol of progress and efficiency in environmental management and protection. The Demonio 23 000 forest mower can handle areas up to 2.3 wide and 40 centimeters deep. In Sweden, people use Nordson excavators to process remaining tree stumps, preparing for the next afforestation process. The Atera drill is the progress and development of the community in destroying tree stumps and cleaning the environment. Woodcracker R is a tree stump treatment machine that operates much more gently than other conventional machines. Amazingly, the Dipperfox Crusher 850 Pro spindle on the UCB excavator can destroy up to 162 tree stumps in 1 hour. With a sharp blade, this wood splitter easily handles large diameter tree stumps. Not only that, with the ability to work with little noise and ensure safety, the SC600 spindle is a reliable choice in destroying tree stumps for many households. You will be amazed when you witness the powerful destructive power of this shark tooth separator. With its powerful and efficient working ability, this tree root destroyer has become an effective assistant in the land and environmental management industry. Equipped with cutting blades and high-performance hydraulic system, the FH20R ensures precise and fast tree stump removal, saving time and labor costs. Destroying maple tree stumps becomes easy with the Volvo EC60E mini excavator combined with a sharp blade. These sharp teeth challenge even the largest tree roots. They can cut through soil and rock, a testament to its strength. It's great that the Bobcat E42 R2 Mini excavator easily removes hardwood trees, quickly clearing the forest. Thanks to the Manka tree stump destruction tool, obstructing tree roots are no longer a concern for workers. With great precision and durability, the tree root destroyer makes every job easier and more efficient. Let's see the mini excavator BH92 destroying a 14-year-old tree. Each new tree planting season is initiated with the help of a root destroyer, bringing hope for a clean and sustainable green future. Power, smoothness, ease of operation. Digging pine stumps with the Deere 270 DLC excavator brings results beyond expectations for users. Watch this tree stump destroyer remove a damaged Bradford pear tree. This monster tree stump was also easily taken down by this Senisai 50U excavator. The Vermeer South Carolina 30 Texas tree stump cutter is the optimal solution for removing tree stumps effectively and easily. This compact yet powerful machine is designed to tackle stubborn tree stumps quickly. Each operation of the Revolution Tree Root Destroyer is an important step forward in protecting and restoring the environment. The Hymax Stump Removal Bucket is an innovative multi-use skid steer attachment that lifts stumps and small trees off the ground faster than ever. With its user-friendly design, impressive cutting capabilities and compact size, the Vermeer SC30TX tree stump cutter is the perfect addition to any landscape arsenal. The skid steer stumper 280 stump grinder is a symbol of progress and efficiency in environmental management and protection. The Demonio 23 000 forest mower can handle areas up to 2.3 wide and 40 centimeters deep. In Sweden, people use Nordson excavators to process remaining tree stumps, preparing for the next afforestation process. The Terra drill is the progress and development of the community in destroying tree stumps and cleaning the environment. The ability to work non-stop and high efficiency of tree root destroyers creates the solid strength of the land management industry. Tree stump removal with a Kenny excavator is a symbol of strength and adaptability to all terrain conditions and working environments. The shark tooth separator is always the most powerful device in destroying tree stumps. You are watching the Dipper Fox SC600 stump crusher break up some of the remaining tree stumps in the forest. The CAT 305.5E excavator is clearing the remaining trees to clear the site. With only a 9-inch diameter, the stump is easily removed by this EA grapple machine. Cut down trees with a sledge to install a fence. This is a device that is trusted for use on a small scale such as households. It's amazing that the rotary stump grinder can destroy up to nearly 200 tree stumps within 1 hour. This mini excavator easily handles a tree by breaking the roots and loosening the soil around the root ball. With compact design and outstanding power, this tree root destroyer is suitable for construction and urban development projects. This mini excavator is small but has great destructive power. It can easily handle remaining trees. The tree root destroyer is not just a tool, but also a symbol of strength and perseverance in protecting and restoring the environment. The CBI stump cutter is any stump's worst nightmare. It is capable of removing 50 tons more per hour than its closest competitor. Volvo EC210 is likened to a beast because wherever it goes, it clears remaining tree stumps, quickly cleaning the forest surface. The versatility of the tree root destroyer ensures that every task is completed quickly and efficiently. After digging the surrounding soil, the excavator easily finished handling the tree stump. It's amazing how these large pliers easily remove tree stumps in just a few minutes. Remove tree stumps easily with a drill bit that has large, reversible cutting blades to increase the cutting life of each blade. The HEMAX Stump Removal Bucket has a 300 mm wide head with replaceable molded teeth, helping to remove stumps, small trees and root cuttings in just a few minutes. With a small weight, the Vermeer South Carolina 70 Texas helps gardeners easily clear land. Each operation of the tree root destroyer is an important step forward in protecting and restoring the environment. A 25 HP tree stump grinder Loxam can handle tree stumps up to 63 centimeters high and dig up to 33 centimeters below ground. With confidence and strength, the tree root destroyer demonstrated incomparable power. These two vehicles tried to uproot a tree but were unsuccessful. This further shows the power of other tree stump treatment machines. After processing tree stumps, the HCC40 machine will help people take the next step, which is planting trees. This is a larger tree digger that includes a series of improvements. Standard vertical tip system to lift the root ball off the ground.
You're watching an incredibly impressive sight. Land clearance in South Texas with two D8 bulldozers pulling chains and working vigorously and efficiently. The power of these two bulldozers, combined with the performance of the chain, helps quickly level the forest and flatten the land, preparing for major construction projects in the area. These two bulldozers are tearing up the whole forest. They drag chains up to 15 meters long and weighing up to several tons on the ground. With this powerful combination, it creates a huge destructive force, effectively destroying and eliminating eucalyptus trees in its path. You are witnessing the impressive performance of the CAT D7 and D8 dozers, working with chains in a rural area in Australia. With a flexible coordination of the dozer head and chain, they drag the chain wherever they go, tearing and uprooting bushes and quickly clearing the entire forest. I was surprised to learn that one of the most effective ways to clear dense forest land is long chain attached to a bulldozer.
The land. A tragic and short-sighted destruction.
The chain is then dragged across the ground, ripping and uprooting shrubs and other vegetation in its path. Watch the powerful Caterpillar D6 and D7 bulldozers in action as they clear their way through dense trees and pull giant anchor chains across the rugged terrain of the Australian outback. If you're a fan of videos about bulldozers and heavy equipment, this is a must-watch. He was clearing a diseased tree with a small bulldozer. After circling around to soften the soil around the tree collapsed with just one blow. When they need to remove a large tree without an excavator, tree pusher or tilt blade, this is how they do it. Even a bulldozer this big can only push trees to a certain size. After that, they need to dig around them to break the roots. Then they can knock the tree down.
Put down in the side of that tree.
The Vermeer SC1052 is meticulously designed to effectively grind tree stumps, with an impressive capacity of 115 horsepower. Not only does it ensure high levels of productivity, but it also stands out for its durability and advanced features, making it the right choice for effective tree stump removal.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.